So, I mean, definitely, I take your point in the marketing side. So, I mean, actually, full transparency, our company website, at least the consumer facing part of it, has been using a chatbot for a couple of years now. And very few people, I think less than 2% of people that interact with it recognize it as a chatbot. Most people believe that it was, well, now that there's a lot of media attention to ChatGPT, obviously a lot more people recognize that it's a chatbot, but historically people thought that they were talking to a human being. So on the marketing piece, definitely that ship has already sailed. Now, to your point, the other point you raised about the legal profession, yeah, I mean, I saw that as well, that it did pass the multi-state bar and pretty impressively. But hey, one of the things about ChatGPT is that it's a user interface. The idea of that, as you point out, the machine learning and the algorithmic predictions, that's been a part of business for a while. That's, I mean, a decade or more. I mean, yeah, for I have clients that, traders, algo traders. So in a way, algorithms are highly intelligent pieces of machine learning. So this stuff has been going on. I think now that it's consumer facing, it's created this level of awareness and so on. But anyway, switching back to the legal profession, I mean, it's been a while where you've had some sort of, again, intelligence that is artificial. Because I know the term AI is loaded and it has a lot of emotional implications. So intelligence that is artificial being used for things like simple contracts. And it's been a while now. I mean, if it is that you have a relatively simple arrangement that you want captured or formalized in a contract, that's been happening for probably the better part of a decade. So, that's already happening. So it again, it echoes what you said at the very beginning, that the worst thing a professional advisor could be is complacent, believing that this will not impact their profession. Obviously it would. And, you mentioned Goldman Sachs, that is number two. So, in terms of how it would, I definitely see it being, you know what? I draw a parallel between the world of chess. When I was younger, I was into chess. And as you know, in the 90s, IBM, Deep Blue, whatever, at first chess grandmasters were beating tech, and then tech began to beat the best grandmasters. But now the best teams are a hybrid. It's a combination of a chess grandmaster with, for the want of a better word, an AI tool at his or her side. So I would imagine that armed with certain tools, an advisor, because yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, what you're doing, you're referring to court sections and case law, or some sort of precedents and opinions, regulations, and you bring your experience together with that body of knowledge, and I think the average advisor's ability to competently work with a client will be tremendously enhanced. That definitely is something that I see.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.